back to my channel. Today I'm happy to have here the Good Molecules beauty fridge as well as some other goodies, and I'm just happy to see what's inside, what it looks like, how it works. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's open it up. Cheers! So I'll be honest, I hadn't really heard that much about Good Molecules. Didn't know they had a skincare fridge, but I have put it out into the universe that I need and want a skincare fridge, probably because every time my kids ask me what I want when they're trying to pretend they're Santa, that I always say a skincare fridge. So somehow an ad popped up that there was going to be this flash sale on Black Friday. So sure enough, I set my alarm and I happened to get it. The awesome thing about this skincare fridge is it's supposed to go from hot to cold. It's super portable, and I think it usually retails for like $60, but the flash sale on Black Friday had it for $15. So that was an amazing deal. I don't think anywhere else could I get a skincare fridge for $15. So yes, definitely got it. Phew. My goodies are inside. It's like, where are my other goodies? Already tucked away. Okay, so this is the fridge itself. It's very lightweight, super cute. Just like funky pattern. It's like nice white glossy finish. Also has a carrying handle. I don't know if you want to walk around with your fridge. And in the back, you can see it goes from cold to hot or off. It has, you know, the adapters back here, a little fan probably to prevent overheating. And yeah, I mean, for $15, yes, definitely I was going to take advantage of that. So if you know anything about me, you know that I don't love paying shipping. So I was not about to do that. Kind of peeked around the website to get myself to free shipping, which honestly didn't require to get that much. But I did notice some anti-aging goodies, so I happened to grab those, and let's see what's inside. So in addition, it also came with the 2 cords, you can see, and let me get this stuff out of the fridge so I can kind of show you a little bit more about the fridge, and then I'll show you what else I got. It's so cute. So my dream fridge is a little bigger, but for now this will do. I don't know how much this will hold, but it's a good start. So this is the fridge itself. It has a little kind of side pocket. It also comes with a shelf. So if you're not hosting maybe larger skin products, you would put this shelf in. There we go. So you can kind of make it a 2-tiered, cute little tiny skin fridge. Comes with a manual, some free samples, you know, different things they want you to try out. And then the products I got. Let's find them. I didn't have to spend that much, so I only got a few things, but they looked interesting. They had the ingredients I'm kind of looking for when I look at products, so I figured might as well try it. So this is from Good Molecules, the Super Peptide Serum. It's going to target the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So from an anti-aging perspective, peptides are great at promoting an overall youthful experience and helping with diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. So this is something you can apply morning and night. You want to let it fully absorb before applying other products. It is suitable for daily use. And this is peptides. And in general, peptides play well with most things. So they play well with your retinols, with your AHAs, your BHAs, your vitamin Cs. You always want to double check just to make sure there's no contraindications, but usually with peptides, you're fine. So this is just a kind of a really nice serum, and if I remember correctly, these products were very reasonably priced. Definitely worth trying. I also got a gentle retinol cream to soften the appearance of fine lines and help skin look firmer. This is something that you want to apply nighttime, of course. It's just like any other retinol. You want to apply it at night. The next day you want to apply, you know, SPF, which you should be using every day anyway, but just know that anytime you're using retinol, you are making your skin more sensitive, and you definitely want to just double check that you're applying that SPF the next day. So just kind of a gentle retinol cream. Nice too. And once again, this is from Good Molecules, and yeah, it's a nightly retinol cream. It's a good kind of travel sized almost. 1 fluid ounce, so travel size. And one more product in this bag. 1% retinol night oil. This is retinol suspended in plum oil to help improve the appearance of skin elasticity and firmness. Because plum oil is a natural hydrator, so that's why they suspend it in the plum oil. So this is something that, of course, you're going to want to apply at night. This is something that I can incorporate as I'm skin cycling. So my retinol night, I could use either the face oil or the face cream. I probably wouldn't do both because that's just a lot of retinol, but I can alternate, and you know, encapsulated retinol is good. This is a 1%. Cute little tiny dropper. And honestly, I was just happy to find products that I was interested in trying on this website, as I was really only there for my skincare fridge. Once again, super happy with the skincare fridge. Super cute little travel size guy. And even though it's a skincare fridge, I mean, I guess you could put drinks in it. You could take it to go if you wanted to, I don't know, go camping with it. I don't think this one will go camping with me, but you never know what the future holds. Maybe if it gets replaced by another skincare fridge, like a rose gold one, then maybe. But ultimately, super happy with this. $15, can't beat it. Super cute. Thank you, Good Molecules, for this deal. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox my skincare fridge, as well as the goodies that came with it from Good Molecules. Please let me know in the comments down below if you happen to grab this skincare fridge, or if you're looking at getting it next time. Love to answer any questions you have, or just if you're a fan of Good Molecules. It's my first time hearing about this brand, so I'd love to hear what some of your favorite products are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. You have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.